Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Kia Sorento SX V6 all-wheel drive. Absolutely gorgeous gloss black color. Has forged aluminum wheels, roof rails, signal repeaters in the side mirrors, and ice cube fog lights, as well as many other features which we'll talk about as we go through the car. It's a demonstrator unit and it's on clearance right now at West Coast Kia. Taking a walk down the side of the car. Come with balance of factory warranty. Driver's seat is powered, plus it's a memory seat. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Rear cross traffic alert, a switch for 115 volt outlet in the back, traction control, a power button for that rear door. This Sorento only has 9,755 kilometers on it, so it'll come with balance of factory warranty. Steering wheel has cruise control and audio controls, as well as other functions for the car. Stepping inside the car, we see Sirius XM and also the controls for the heater and air conditioning. The car does come with navigation. Currently the navigation chip is inside the building locked up, but of course we'll install it when you purchase the car. We have a climate control in the front. Down below that we have heated and cooled leather seats in the front, as well as a heated steering wheel. Push button start. Auxiliary and USB input ports for the radio and a couple of 12 volt charge ports. A drive mode select switch. A lock for the all-wheel drive and rear parking sensor switch. And when we shift into reverse, we have a backup camera. Driver's seat, of course, is powered and it's heated leather. Let's take a look in the back. In the back seat, we have heated leather seats in the rear, a USB and a 12 volt, as well as 115 volt ports in the back. Leather seating surfaces in the rear, and also looking up an absolutely gorgeous panoramic sunroof for those sunny days. Going around the back of the car, we see that SX V6 badging, and if we just push a button, the rear door opens because it's powered. Having a look inside, it's a 7-passenger, has the additional seating in the rear. Also, one really nice feature is that it has a climate control back here. So your guests will be totally comfortable. They'll be heated, they'll be cooled, depending on what it's like outside. Of course, just pushing this button, and the power door closes. Take a walk up the passenger side. We see that the passenger door the passenger seat is powered, and also that the car comes with an Infinity sound system. It's absolutely gorgeous black Kia Sorento is available at West Coast Kia. We're just over the bridge at Maple Ridge, about 20 minutes from anywhere in the lower mainland. We're open Monday to Thursday 9 to 9, Friday, Saturday 9 to 6, and Sundays and most holidays 11 to 5. Bring the family down. See how well they fit into this Sorento. See how well the Sorento fits into your lifestyle. Again, that's West Coast Kia in Maple Ridge.